Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and today I'm sharing with you a project I made for the Craft O'Clock creative team using the Kara and Lina paper collection. Oh my goodness, these are 2 tags in decorative sleeves or envelopes that I decorated. Look at that. And when you pull out the tag, there's even a surprise. The tag opens up like accordion style to reveal just a nice little just a decoration, something fun to give for someone you care about, or Valentine's Day. Is just so nice, cute little gift. You could even send it as a card and just have that be the card all by itself. Let me give you a look here. Look at all the decorative flowers. That's part of the extras to cut flowers that coordinates with the paper collection. And here's the second tag that I made in the envelope that I decorated. Look at that. It's so pretty. And when you open it up, you guessed it, it's another accordion style tag. I love that. It's so cute. I could just see it, you giving it like as part of a larger gift, or even to put on a package. And yes, this one's double-sided as well, all embellished with the cardstock and extras to cut from the Kara and Lina paper collection. It's really, really easy to make, and the paper collection is just beautiful. You can use it for a lot of different things. It's actually made to be like a young girl's paper collection, and you'll see by the embellishments. Here's what it looks like when you get the collection. The size of this pack of paper is 8 by 12 inches. They have other sizes as well. I also used the Kara and Lina quotes. Now, because Craft O'Clock is in Poland, you have Polish quotes on one side and English quotes on the other. And then here is a look at the extras to cut. This is just one of the sheets, and I wanted to use the hearts from it because look at that. Look at the glitter. This is extras to cut 4. And there are other sheets that coordinate with this collection. And then here is the flowers to cut, flowers 7. And you should see their other flowers. They're just gorgeous. Now, I'll put links below to where you can find these products. If you're in the USA, make sure to check out Sandpaper Road, the shop at Sandpaper Road, and you'll be able to see what we have available there in the USA. I used some thin gold string, buttons, wet glue, and hot glue also in this project as well. This is a look at what the envelopes to cut, what they look like when you get them. All these items are purchased separately if you're thinking about getting this collection. Look at that. The envelopes are double-sided. Look at the music paper and the music notes. Now, this project is really easy to do because the tags come pre-printed on the back of the packaging. And that's in every collection. It's just standard for Kara and Lina and some of their newer collections as well. And let me just give you a quick look at the paper. Even though this size of paper, this 8 by 12 size, is not necessarily typical in the US for pattern paper, it's nice if you're a card maker or if you make mini albums, because when you fold a piece of this paper in half, it's perfect for an album page. Look at that. Look at the dark wood with like a purple hue to it. It's beautiful. So like I said, check out the links below for where you can find these products. And also the full tutorial is available over on the Craft O'Clock YouTube channel, but I'll link below so you can go to that as well. There are close-up photos available on the Sandpaper Road blog if you're interested. And thanks so much to Craft O'Clock for allowing me to be part of their creative team. It's really fun. They're really nice people, and the products are really high quality, and I love it. And thanks so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we thank you for that. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.